Let's make sausage roll. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. And today I'm back again with another simple and easy recipe which you will fall in love with it. My name is Lena and welcome once again. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Do you know what? It is free. They don't take money, okay? If you subscribe, they won't take money. Thank you. Let's get into today's activity. I have with me here my 8 cups of all-purpose flour. If you want to use soft flour, you can go ahead and do so. I have added my nutmeg, okay? Yes, I will just go ahead, mix it very well till it combines, and then we can proceed. Thank you once again for being with me, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. You have been with me from the beginning of the channel till now, or you have been with me for some time now. Thank you so much. Now I've added my 4 sticks of butter and I'm just going to add it to it bit by bit. I'm not using one brand because there was a shortage, yes, and I decided to use another brand, so I'm going to use 2 brands. Okay, use any type of butter that you want, and that 4 cups of butter we are using will be 2 cups. Okay, it will be 2 cups. You can go ahead and add more, but I did not use a lot of that for a reason. Just continue watching the video and I'll tell you, okay, if only you want to know. I did not add any salt to it for a reason, and you will get to know whilst you are watching this video. Getting to the middle of the video, you will know, so just stick with me, do not go anywhere, and let's prepare this together. I repeat again, you can use all-purpose flour or you can use your soft flour, and that is okay, or that will be okay. So I added the butter to it bit by bit. I did not add everything at the same time. Okay, you can use margarine instead, and that should be perfect for you, or that should be okay for you. So I'll continue with the same thing till I am done mixing everything, and then I will share with you what to do next. Now I'm done with everything. I'll go ahead and then add my milk. I did not measure the milk, but I advise you to add it to it bit by bit so that you won't get anything too soft, or not that too hard, but anything too soft, so that at the end you don't have any flour to add to it. Okay, so just add it to it bit by bit so that you can get perfect outcome. Let's put that aside. I have with me here my corned beef, and I'm just frying it on fire for some time. Okay, with the corned beef we did not add any oil to it because it contains a lot of oil already, so we wouldn't want to introduce more oil to that. So I'll fry it and then make sure it is well fried. Okay, so now I'm going to add some other ingredients to our corned beef. Sometimes I do not add, depending on how the person wants it. Okay, but with this I am going to introduce some of these ingredients, and then we are good to go. So before that, let's add some onions to it. Okay, so I have some chopped onions here. I'll add it to the corned beef and then fry it very well before we add any other ingredients that we want to add to this. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very happy if you share to others, but very extremely happy. I will be extremely happy if you leave me your comment in the comment section, and also share with me how you prepare your meat pie or your sausage roll. So with this sausage roll, that reminds me, you can use sausage instead of the corned beef, but the person requested I use corned beef. Okay, now I've added my pepper and I'll give it a stir. Sometimes I do not add the pepper to it, depending on how the person wants this. So the reason I added the less butter is that the person do not want it very rich, you know. Before that, our dough is ready. So I'm just going to use my rolling pin to roll it, and then we proceed from there. Kindly watch the screen and let's do this together. Yes, when you are growing, there are certain things you don't have to eat again. Yes, you just have to take good care of yourself. Not only when you are growing that you have to take good care of yourself, but there are some things you don't have to eat again when you are growing. Okay, so the person I'm doing this for, she's someone who is old, and she's getting old, and she doesn't want a lot of butter in their pastries. So I know how I do their things for them. That is why I did not add that to it, a lot of that to it, and I did not add salt. So just be careful and then watch your age before you do other things. Okay, if you want it rich, that is your food and that is how you want it. Just enjoy it. Okay, now we are done rolling it. I've shaped it very well. I'm just going to ensure that it is on the side that I can roll it very well without struggling. Okay, I flip it, and then I'm now going to add the corned beef that we fried on it, and then start rolling. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for being with me. I am so grateful, and I don't take it for granted. I'll be very happy if you share this video to others. So I'll go ahead and then roll it like how you are seeing on the screen, just like that. So simple and perfectly made. Okay, yes, to be honest, if I want to enjoy this, I am okay if the butter is not too much or if it is too much. If it is like this, I'm okay. And if it is like the other one, like flaky, I am okay. But she wants it soft, and the soft one to taste absolutely delicious. Now I'll cut it according to any size that I want. So do it the same way and you are good to go. Just look at that. So easy to prepare, and trust me, this is faster than sealing it one by one. I feel like from today onwards, if I'm preparing meat pie, I will ask the person if I should do it this way, because this it saves time. Yes, just look at that. So easy, and then made perfectly. Now I'm going to arrange all these on my pan, and then I have my egg wash ready, which is egg and then milk. I'm just going to, I rub it on it, and now I am just going to put this in my oven at 350 Fahrenheit till it is ready, or till it turns golden brown, or any way you want. Okay, so with this, we don't want it very brown for a reason, which is between myself and then the one I'm preparing this for. That one, it is between only the two of us and God. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I am so grateful for your time, and I will see you in the next upload. So I made some meat pie as well, and just look at that. This is the way she always wants it, you see. See you in the next one. Bye.